In this video, you'll learn how to buy cryptocurrency on the OKX Exchange. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to navigate the platform and complete a purchase of your desired crypto asset. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the OKX Exchange website. Once the page loads, look for the section labeled Buy and Sell or Buy Crypto on the main navigation menu. This section is typically situated prominently on the homepage, making it easy to locate. After selecting Buy and Sell or Buy Crypto, you will be directed to a new page displaying various cryptocurrency options. Here you can choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tether. Click on your desired option to proceed. Next, you will need to enter the amount of money you wish to spend on the selected cryptocurrency. In the input field provided, type in the dollar amount or the equivalent cryptocurrency amount. Be mindful of the current market rates displayed, as they will help you determine how much crypto you will receive. Once you have entered your spending amount, take a moment to review the fees and the current price displayed on the screen. This information is crucial as it provides transparency regarding the costs associated with your transaction. Make sure you understand these fees before continuing. After confirming that you are satisfied with the fees and the price, look for a button that states Confirm Purchase. Clicking this will execute a market order, meaning your purchase will occur at the current best available price. This step is essential as it finalizes your transaction. Upon confirmation, you should see a loading indicator or confirmation message on the screen indicating that your order is being processed. Depending on network conditions and the volume of transactions on the exchange, this process may take a few moments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.